Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ACS data for forecasting models. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the United States Census Bureau website. Once you're on the home page, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type American Community Survey or ACS into the search bar and press enter. In the search results, look for the link that directs you to the ACS main page. Click on that link to access all available data and resources related to the American Community Survey. On the ACS page, find the section labeled Data or Download Data. Click on that section to reveal various data options. You will see multiple datasets offered by the ACS, including 1-year estimates and 5-year estimates. Select the dataset that best fits your forecasting needs. Once you choose a dataset, you'll be taken to a page with further options for accessing the data. Look for a button that says Download or Data Tables. Click on that button to enter the data selection process. You will see a variety of data tables to choose from. Carefully select the tables relevant to your forecasting model. After selecting your tables, review the options for file formats, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that is most convenient for your analysis. Once you have selected the necessary tables and file format, click the Download button. The data will begin to download to your computer. Check your Downloads folder to locate the downloaded file. Open the file in your preferred software, such as Excel or Google Sheets. Review the data to ensure it contains the information you need for your forecasting models. With the ACS data downloaded and ready, you can now integrate it into your forecasting process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.